Chopper's Real One here. Well, I just finished welding these little beauties up. They'll be the rear mounts for the wheels, and I've got the R clips here which will fit in there. So they'll go on there, clip on there. When I want to take the wheels off, I just pull the R clips off and it'll take them all off. The only thing I've got to do now is I haven't got any screws or bolts to hold them down, so I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and get some of those. But that's working out pretty cool, guys. I'm quite impressed with that. I can then pull the wheels off and make it down and set it down flat in the boot of the car, or the trunk of the car, whichever you guys want to call it. And yeah, it'll all pack down pretty flat, so that'll work out really good for me. And I'll get around to cutting all that front end off the other two bikes later on. And then I've got to do a wheel alignment on the buggy, on the cart here. Make sure all the wheels are straight, they're going to track straight, and go from there. Alright guys, bye for now.